The Ukrainian military have put out a plea on social media requesting the help of local hobby drone owners and pilots. Within a post on the official Facebook page, the military has called on all citizens of Kiev who own hobby drones to bring them to their forces so they can be used to monitor and record Russian advances in the city. They have asked that even if you are not a confident or experienced pilot, to please bring the drone forward so one of their own pilots can fly the drone on missions. A post from the verified social media account of the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense translates to the following. Do you own a drone? Give it to experienced pilots to use. Do you know how to operate a drone? Join the joint patrol with 112th unit of the separate brigade of the city of Kiev. Kiev is our home. Defending it is a common task. The post then follows up with the hashtag Stop Russia and states that Kiev needs you and your drone in this fierce moment. As well as providing contact details, they ask for the drone owner to indicate the district of the city they're in, the experience of the pilot, the type of drone, the number of batteries you have, and along with your contact details, whether or not you have previously served in the military. Now, although this is a general report, we have included the link to the post in our description below because our analytics show that Geeksvana does actually have some viewers in the Ukraine, and if they're here watching videos about drones, there is a good chance you might actually own one. As we all know by now, Russia has invaded Ukraine this week and has brought war to Europe on a scale not seen for generations. And my heart goes out to the people and innocents caught up in this simply shocking situation. As a European myself, from a family that escaped conflicts and came here to the UK, I can only imagine what it must feel like to have your entire world turned upside down in the matter of a few short hours. As a nation, the UK shares so many links with the Ukrainian people, with so many of their citizens living here and working here, as well as Brits living and working in the Ukraine. To any fellow hobby drone flyers caught up and bravely deciding to get involved, we stand with you and we wish you all the success in the world. If any of my other viewers want to get involved and show some support for this cause, there is a link in the description to the charities that are actually looking for help at the moment in the Ukraine. So have a look at that. We will as well be donating any monetization we get from this particular video to those charities. Sean out.